So this is the Kone MonoSpace MRL Traction lift at Rhodes Central. Strangely, it has double voices. Wow. Third floor is locked. Oh, sorry.
Doors open. Going up. Doors open.
Not sure I can get the double voices to play. Keep trying.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Going up.
Okay.
Doors closing.
I'll try.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
There you go.
Going up. Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Well, I'm gonna just end this now. Okay, so we're back at Rhodes Central. This is the only Kone MonoSpace lift. I think it might actually be S MonoSpace, but strangely, level 1 is numbered as level 2 on this panel. Probably because they got the button wrong. Go back down. This was installed in 2019. The other MonoSpaces were installed in 2020. Okay. So there it goes. And that's it. So we're back at Rhodes Central. These are the glass Kone MonoSpaces. The glass on the inside. Not sure about glass on the inside. Well. Oh, yes, you can tell the glass. Okay, so be right back. Hopefully it brings me lift number 1. Okay, so just need to get the screen. Okay, just need to get the indicator. May have to mute.